second. The driver who made the last contact. And we know Ron Tollier's a super good guy, and we're going to ask him exactly what his thoughts are since he's stuck in the mud. Hey, Ron, where's the snow tires? They put a, maybe a little snow or something. Yeah, it is New York. It might snow any minute. Yep. I always spend a lot of time searching out songs for the adults, people in my age group or whatever, but you don't want to hear that old music. But the other day, I was playing around and I found some songs that I thought would be kind of cool to play for the little people. So here you go, little people.
There's one more.
Is it playing?
I'm going to stay and watch this.
There we go.
Come back and check
All right,
in a
little
little
people,
while.
show me how to do the baby shark, would you? It's funny because I look around and more parents and grandparents are doing the baby shark than the little people. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to determine that Ron Tollier in the 28 was one of the last guys running to make it hits. And on the 27 of Clifford Salisbury for the undercard. One good thing about phones and cameras and videos and social media, wait 3 minutes and we can watch it all. All right, so I guess you don't like my song. I'm good with that. We'll try. That's a good one. Would you like to pick up Clifford's M4, Josh Diamond. These are your big 8-cylinder heavy metals. Some of them are pre-run cars, some are fresh. My official's ready. All right, ladies and gentlemen, help me out again. Drivers, keep your helmets, keep your hands in. Helmet straps tight, your seatbelts on. 10, 9, 8. Go, 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 go! Alright, let's see who's gonna transfer to the main event. The big money event, the bigger trophies. Alright, coming in. These guys have been driving cars down the street for a lot of years. Oh, there we go. Taking it nice. Everyone lining up. Yeah, we got to give them four a few minutes, maybe swap out a tire as soon as we get them off the track. The rest of the drive, you got 5 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, you got 5 minutes. Stretch your legs, whatever you need.